Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can delete your Uber Eats account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Uber Eats app. After you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the accounts option on the bottom right hand. So once you go in the account section, you need to simply scroll down below and tap on the privacy option. After you are done, go to the bottom of the screen where you can find the account deletion. So simply tap on accept, and after you are done with it, you need to now type in your phone number or email address. After this is done as well, a code will be sent to your registered mobile number on WhatsApp. So simply tap on the verification code on screen, and after this is done as well, you will get a 4-digit code sent in your email address which you had typed. So once you type this in as well, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply scroll down and tap on continue. Then you need to give reason for your account deletion and tap on delete account. After all this process is done, your account on Uber Eats will be successfully deleted. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.